Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what our binary numbers is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Our content for today is provided to us by techtarget.com. So what is binary? Binary describes a numbering scheme in which there are only two possible values for each digit, 0 and 1. It is the basis for all binary code used in computing systems. These systems use this code to understand operational instructions in user input and to present a relevant output to the user. The term binary also refers to any digital encoding-decoding system in which there are exactly two possible states. In digital data, memory, storage, processing, and communications, the 0 and 1 values are sometimes called low and high, respectively. In transistors, 1 refers to a flow of electricity while 0 represents no flow of electricity. So we have here sample of ASCII encoding. Okay, so binary numbers guys is very essential in computers that we should be familiar in know. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new about binary numbers. What are they? And then it's their usefulness in computing system. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.